So first up in this rotation on high bar, get our first look at Sam Oldham, representing Loughborough Students Gymnastics Club. And Sam has got some really great work on this piece of apparatus. Some high flying releases. Nice piked Kovac there. A double somersault over the bar. This time the double tuck with the full twist. Beautiful Stolder into hop 1.5. Got to be so confident with those pirouetting elements and your hand placements on the bar. Fantastic straight catch of there, high and flighty above the bar. And the straddles catch with half turn, enabling Sam to change direction. And doing really well to pull that pirouette back on line. The gymnasts have to show close bar elements, and Sam choosing to show a Stolder. Just the dismount left to go, then he's going to wrap in hard, double twisting, double straight, and just a tiny pace in that landing. Sam's going to be really happy to